All right, my students, we're going to look a little bit at perimeter area and volume and changes in scale. I realize that some of these videos and some of the IXLs that I'm assigning might seem difficult or seem like they don't really fit in with what we're doing in the classroom. Just go with it, try to get something out of this, and try the assignment or try the exercises, because there is a connection to what's happening in class. I'm trying to really get you to struggle with some stuff a little bit so that when you come to class, you don't have to struggle as much. So I'm assuming some knowledge here, some knowledge of perimeter area and some volumes. But the main thing here is that when length doubles, the perimeter also doubles. If the length tripled, the perimeter would triple. When the length doubles, the area goes up by 4. I'm going to explain that. I'm going to draw some pictures down here in a second. When the length doubles, the volume goes up by 8. So let's start with, I'm going to make a really basic square here. It's a square. And the perimeter of that square is 4. I'm going to scale it up by a factor of 2. I'm going to make it 2 times bigger, which means those 1s are going to turn into 2s. Now, what is the perimeter? Well, the perimeter is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. The perimeter equals 8. I'm going to put perimeter equals 8. Yeah. So when I double it, when the lengths double, the perimeter doubles. Well, let's look at the area here. The area, which is what? Length times width, 1 times 1. The area is 1. Over here, the area is now 2 times 2, which is 4. So while the perimeter doubled to 8, the area actually went up by a factor of 4. And that's because area is a square unit. I end up squaring the scale value. And once again, you guys don't see it, but my screen just trips out every once in a while. Okay, because I can see myself. Why is that doing it? Where's that mouse? Okay, sorry about that inconvenience. Okay, now let's think in terms of volume. What if these are cubes? Well, the area, the volume of this cube would be 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. The volume of this cube is going to be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So, coming back here, when I'm doubling something, the perimeter will double. When the length doubles, the perimeter doubles. When the length doubles, the area goes up by 4. When the length doubles, the volume goes up by 8. For tripling, so doubling, what about for triple? A doubling does a doubles the perimeter, the area goes up by 4, the volume goes up by 8. Triples would do a 3, 9, 27. Okay, once again, I know that some of this is right at the edge of your comfort level probably. Don't give up on it. I want you to really start the practice and do your timed work and get something out of this so that tomorrow in class, things will make more sense. Thank you for watching.